Microsoft's journey to the cloud. Microsoft has been a technology leader for decades. We started with software like Windows. Now we're a leader in cloud computing. The cloud lets you access computing power over the internet. No need to manage physical servers. Our key offerings are Microsoft Azure and Microsoft 365. They represent a new way of working. Azure helps businesses create and run applications. Microsoft 365 enhances productivity and collaboration. Together, they empower businesses to achieve more. They show our commitment to innovation. Let's explore these platforms in more detail. Microsoft Azure is a powerful cloud computing platform. It offers a wide range of services. These services help businesses build, deploy, and manage applications. Think of Azure as a giant data center. It provides all the resources you need. With Azure, you don't need expensive hardware. Easily scale your resources up or down. Azure is cost-effective for all businesses. It offers data storage, networking, and analytics. A comprehensive platform for your business needs. Designed for developers and IT professionals. Build and manage complex applications. Azure helps you innovate and grow. Microsoft 365 is a suite of productivity and collaboration tools. It includes familiar applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. These applications are available online and offline. This gives you the flexibility to work from anywhere. Microsoft 365 also includes services like Teams and SharePoint. Teams is a communication and collaboration platform. It allows teams to chat, meet virtually, and share files. SharePoint is a platform for creating websites and intranets. It helps teams store, organize, and share information. Microsoft 365 is designed for individuals and teams of all sizes. It's easy to use and can be accessed from any device. With Microsoft 365 you can work smarter, not harder. While both are cloud-based, Azure and Microsoft 365 serve different purposes. Azure is a platform for building and running applications. Microsoft 365 is a suite of productivity tools. Think of it this way: Azure is the foundation, and Microsoft 365 is the house you build on it. Azure is for developers and IT professionals. They use it to create custom solutions. Microsoft 365 is for everyone. It helps people get work done efficiently. Azure requires technical expertise. Microsoft 365 is user-friendly and requires minimal training. Understanding these differences is crucial. It helps you choose the right solution for your needs. Section 5. Working with Azure and Microsoft 365. Technical needs. Azure and Microsoft 365 have different technical requirements. Azure requires specialized skills. You need to understand cloud computing concepts and Azure services. Managing Azure typically falls to IT professionals. Microsoft 365 is designed for ease of use. Basic computer literacy is sufficient for using Microsoft 365. IT departments manage setup, but users can navigate its features. This highlights the distinct nature of these platforms. Section 6. Azure in Action Real-World Applications. Let's look at how businesses use Azure building mobile apps. Azure provides the tools to build, test, and deploy mobile apps quickly. Analyzing data. Azure's data analytics services help businesses gain insights from their data. This leads to better decision-making. Hosting websites and web applications. Azure offers a reliable and scalable platform for hosting websites and web apps. These are just a few examples. Azure can be used for a wide range of business needs. Its flexibility makes it a powerful tool for innovation and growth. Section 7. Microsoft 365 and Action Powering Productivity. Microsoft 365 is essential for everyday office tasks. Here's how businesses use it. Communication. Teams enables seamless communication through chat, video calls, and online meetings. Collaboration. Shared documents and calendars in Microsoft 365 promote teamwork and efficiency. File storage and sharing. OneDrive makes it easy to store, share, and access files from anywhere. Microsoft 365 streamlines daily tasks. This allows employees to focus on what matters most. Section 8. Better Together. How Azure and Microsoft 365 work in harmony. While distinct, Azure and Microsoft 365 can work together. For example, you can use Azure to build a custom application, then you can integrate it with Microsoft 365 for seamless user experience. This integration combines the power of Azure with the familiarity of Microsoft 365. It offers a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to innovate and enhance productivity. Microsoft is committed to providing a comprehensive suite of cloud solutions. Azure and Microsoft 365 represent our dedication to empowering businesses in the digital age.